Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Viewers. In this presentation, this video, we are showing you how we can use the solver. Uh, and the solver is a very smart add-in of Microsoft Excel, and it solves the problems in which otherwise, if you do try to do the solution, so it would take a lot of time. But the solver is very quick to respond, and it gives you, and it has different methods of calculations you can use. And uh, so what I'm going to present you here is that I'm trying to solve this equation of learn communalizer. It's a very good presentation available in the YouTube. If I show you, I can show you in here. Yeah, this is a wonderful presentation in which the complete solution is shown. Mm. And you can see that this presentation is, yeah, so starts from the very beginning, and it tells you the steps, right? So in the end, it takes you the steps. These are the theoretical concepts which a student must know how to solve all these problems, right? So our it, intention is to familiarize our viewers with the Excel, use of Excel, and using the Excel, the students can verify their working, their solutions as well. And also the knowledge of Excel is important because that saves your time as well, and it frees you from all the hassles of the lengthy steps. But these lengthy steps are not something you can ignore. These are very important for the concept building and learning the mathematics, arithmetics, etc., and the concepts. So what we are intending here is to collectively, with our viewers, we collectively try to use another aspects of calculation, that is through Excel. In Excel, we have the solver. So we keep in front of us what we keep. Let me minimize it so that it collapses the ribbon, right? Okay, so we have more space here, and we keep this in front of you. That this is the your problem, right? So now the problem statement is clear that we have X. So we have put a place for X and a place for Y, and X and Y are multiplied, will here, and X plus Y means X and Y are added up in here. Okay, and this is the check. When the solver will be attempting the question, we will set this to be 1, because this will be 1 only when these two equations, you see, and in the end, we have said the first part is 44, the second part is 20. Yeah, these have to be means equal in order uh, uh, to arrive at the desired solution, right? So how to do the solver, how to use the solver? It is in the data tab, you have the solver. If you don't have the solver in your data tab, you can enable it by going to File, go to the More, go to the Option, and in the Addin, you go to, and then here you click, you tick mark all these things to make solver available like this, right? Okay, so when you open the solver, it is uh, let me reset all. If you reset all, it will wipe off all the selections. So what we have done in here is that the first thing is that our objective is B45. This is our check, right? So it has to be the value, the objective value is 1, right? And the changes to be performed in the range of X and Y. It's X and Y. This is X. Yeah, B39 is X. To B40 is Y, right? So I'm this way we are telling you the solver to feel free. We are telling to the solver that feel free to make any changes in it. All we need to have a 1 in here, and then the 1 will be here only when these information are satisfied. Means this becomes 44, and x plus y becomes 20, right? So there are three methods in solver. You can try uh, all of them, which takes you to the desired solution, right? So let's first we try this. Mm. So this will instantly come with a say sorry, it's saying sorry, I I'm the it is not feasible. No, it's a report is that feasibility and feasibility bound, right? So the solver has said that it cannot solve it using this method. Okay, so we have other methods. The other one is simplex linear programming method, LP, right? So let's try this. So again, it says, so sorry, um, uh, I'm unable to process it. Okay, in the evolutionary method, when we say it, it takes you to the very near solution, but it takes time. You see, it is starting, now it is attempting all the various, and it will carry on its job to set. Um, uh, it has to bring this the x and y values such that the x plus y is equal to 20 and x into y, x multiplied by y be 44. So that's what it is trying hard. It is uh, mm, doing its job, and it comes. That's the maximum it could do for you. That's it. So x plus y should 20. So it failed to uh, get it 20, but it has made xy 44. And when the x value is the this and y value is 12.75, x value is 3.45, then it would be uh, this is the nearest solution which is given by the solver. So that's all I can do using solver. If there are some other way to reach to the exact solution as given by the respected learn communalizer, then I would appreciate the audience. Please do let me know how we can use Excel to to do all these jobs which is shown in this video, right? It's a wonderful video. I liked the way of his explaining, and I liked this. I recommend the users, my viewers, to go through this, especially the students. Spare you some time to this and learn all these steps. But with respect to Excel, I'm. This is the first time that I maybe I'm missing something, that the exact solution is not achieved through solver or goal seek here. But I am sure that uh, I must be missing something in here. Okay, so do let me know what is the thing which I'm missing. Thank you very much for watching.